Today's chief guest, Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India. Guest of honor, Shri S.C. Jaini, IRS, Member Audit and Judicial, Central Board of Direct Taxes. Director General of National Academy of Direct Taxes, Shri G.G. Shukla. Additional Director General 1, NADT, Shri N. Shankaran. Additional Director General 2, Shri R. Ravichandran. Course Coordinator of 86 Foundation Course, Srimati Tripura Sundari. Associate Course Coordinator, Shri Sanjay Joseph. Distinguished guests from various departments of the central and state government, senior officers from the field, retired officers of the department, faculty members and their families, members of the print and electronic media, officer trainees of the 64th batch of IRS, officer trainees of 86 Foundation Course. Good afternoon to you all. I, Niju Gupta, officer trainee of 64th batch of IRS, take this opportunity to welcome our respected and revered chief guest, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We are indeed privileged to have among us Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who has kindly accepted our request to be the chief guest on the valediction ceremony of the officer trainees of 86 Foundation Course. We thank you, sir. Now I invite respected Director General NADT Shri G.G. Shukla to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, with a bouquet of flowers. We are also happy to have with us the senior most IRS member audit and judicial CBDT, Shri S.C. Jaini sir. I invite President NADT Officer Club and my fellow officer trainee, Mr. Rajkumar Yadav, to welcome our guest of honor with the bouquet of flowers. '86 Foundation Course, which started its formidable journey on 29th August 2011, is about to end. Now the officer trainees, on completion of their course, will be joining their respective academies for their professional training. To wish them a bright future ahead, I request chief guest and the dignitaries sitting on the dais to kindly light the lamp, which is symbol of purity, peace, and success. Thank you, sirs and ma'am. Traditionally, we begin the formal function with Academy song, Jai Jan Jeevan Bhagya Vidhata. I invite the Academy choir to render the Academy song.
जीवन भाग्य विधाता, जय जन मंगल जय जन त्राता। नगर नगर में नूतन स्वर हो, जन मंगल आदर्श मुखर हो धन जन का समयक वितरण, हो धन जन का समयक वितरण। तृष्णा क्षुधा निवारण कारण, अमर रहे विद्यालय का स्वर। हो जन जीवन एक सूत्रता, जय जन मंगल जय जन त्राता। जय जन जीवन भाग्य विधाता, जय जन मंगल जय जन त्राता। श्रम सीकर में सृष्टि हमारी, नव विकास में दृष्टि हमारी। व्यक्ति ग्राम हित, ग्राम राष्ट्र हित, व्यक्ति ग्राम हित, ग्राम राष्ट्र हित। जन मंगल हित जीवन अर्पित, नूतन सृजन लक्ष्य हमारा। बहुजन हित हम कर आहरता, जय जन मंगल जय जन त्राता। जय जन जीवन भाग्य विधाता, जय जन मंगल जय जन त्राता। जय जन त्राता।
Thank you, friends. Now I invite respected Director General NADT, Shri G.G. Shukla, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
His Excellency Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Chief Guest of today's function, Shri S.C. Jaini, Member CBDT New Delhi and Guest of Honor, distinguished invitees, my dear colleagues in NADT and in the field, officer trainees of 64th batch of Indian Revenue Service and officer trainees of 86 Foundation course, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of NADT, I welcome you all to the valediction function of 86 Foundation course. We are extremely grateful to His Excellency Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a renowned aerospace engineer, Professor of Aerospace Engineering, the first Chancellor of Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, Thiruvananthapuram, 11th President of the Republic of India during 2002-2007, for having consented to deliver valedictory address to the officer trainees of 86 Foundation course. His books, Wings of Fire, A Vision for the New Millennium, My Journey, and Ignited Minds, Unleashing the Power Within India, have become the household name in India and Indian nationals abroad. All of us feel very privileged to have such an eminent personality amongst us today, whose aura transcends the barriers of language, location, and time. Sir, many changes have taken place since your last visit to NADT in 2007 on the occasion of its Golden Jubilee. The NADT Nagpur, which is the headquarters of Training Division of Income Tax Department, and runs various training programs at all levels for the workforce of about 58,000 persons in the department, with the help of 7 regional training institutes and 23 ministerial staff training institutes, will shortly be having a new 156-room hostel and advanced training center at a cost of rupees 125 crores in this campus. The hostel is ready for use, and advanced training complex is expected to be ready by 2013. This will give us an opportunity to have more programs, not only for in-service officers, but also for officers from abroad and other departments. The flagship program of NLDT is 16 months induction training program for the directly recruited officers of Indian Revenue Service, and the strength of 64 batch, which is presently undergoing training, is 139, comprising 103 gentlemen and 36 lady officers. Since 2010, the NLDT has also been entrusted with the responsibility of running a 15 weeks foundation course for directly recruited officers of various central civil services and all India services. The 86 batch, which is validating today after successful completion of 15 weeks foundation course, has a strength of 88 with 26 lady officers and 66 gentlemen officers. They have come from 10 different civil services. In 15 weeks foundation course, which commenced on 30th August 2011, the academic and professional learning had included rigors and complexities of economics, law, public administration, and information technology against the backdrop of Indian history, culture,